In Genesis chapter 6, the world had become deeply corrupt, filled with violence and wickedness. As human beings multiplied across the earth, their hearts turned away from God. The sons of God saw the daughters of men were beautiful and took them as wives, leading to even more evil. God saw that every intention of human thought was only evil continually, and it grieved him deeply. The Lord regretted creating mankind and decided to wipe them off the face of the earth, along with animals and birds. But in the midst of this dark time, one man stood out: Noah, a righteous and blameless man who walked with God. Because of Noah's faithfulness, God chose him to be the savior of life on earth. God instructed Noah to build a massive ark 300 cubits long to prevent his family and two of every kind of animal from the coming flood. This chapter marks a turning point in the Bible, showing both God's sorrow over human sin and his plan for redemption through one obedient man. It reminds us that even in the darkest times, God sees the righteous and makes a way for salvation.